Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Blades, and this is not an exploration. This is an update. Yes, we finally got VS Code working on Windows. So, here we go. First thing that I changed, we've still got the launch and tasks, but I've added properties. If you go to your command palette here, and you type in, let's see, C/C++, it'll come up with all of this lot down here, which you can up and down through using your mouse wheel. And all you do is you look for properties. Let's see what we've got. Yes, select a configuration, edit configurations, change configuration provider. Edit configure. I think it might be that one. Yeah, that's the one. Edit configurations. And it'll give you CPP properties, JSON, and whatever. And I've just not done much really. Nothing there, nothing there. Compiler path I've added from CQT tools. IntelliSense mode, Clang x64 I think is generic across all platforms, so we'll just use it as that. It's C language compiler Clang. I don't know if that's any different on Macs or not. I think it's the same on a Mac. Don't quote me, I don't know yet. I haven't got a Mac. I'll think on that one. So yes, CPP properties. That's all I've added there. Nothing spectacular, I hope. This is Windows only. On Linux, you don't need this file at all. No, Linux doesn't really matter, but it does help to have it because it gives you defines and stuff. So debug mode type of thing, and you can decide whether you're using GCC or G++ there. I think it's GCC for Linux as well. That's your configuration file. Launch JSON, the one that had me completely befuddled. This has to come on Windows. It's different. On Linux, it's just GDB. You don't need any pathing. It's all done for you. The workspace, I'm not happy about that being there. Let's just see if that will alter things. And I'm not happy with it, the working directory being in the debug directory. That's for certain. So I'll just change that. I haven't tested it yet. Okay. So let's have a look. I think that's all there is in launch JSON. It's just really getting... Oh, I don't like this C++ thing. It's getting on my nerves. 2 C++ is one too many. So that one I'm going to rename to Explore. So now it's Explore C++. Yay! Thank you. And that means it's the top one. That one. Yeah, you can change anything in here really. Doesn't matter. I guess. La 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 la. Yeah, that's okay. Right, that's that done. Anything else? No, that looks good. So I've got explore in there. Task.json. I'll just pop in explore here. And I think that's the same as it was before. Yeah, that's the same as it was before. And let's have a look. My profile is okay. My build bat is not. So that is now explore. And that's everything. I hope. Hey. Let's try that. Let's just try that, shall we? Where's debug? Here we go. Get rid of everything in debug. Best way of doing it. We go over to our debug thingy, GDB launch. Oh yes, there's a good thing to note in launch JSON. Line 20 I've got here is pre-launch task build C++. That's important. That means it builds as well as running the debug mode. Will it work? Will it ever? There you go. All worked. No problems at all. And that's it. That's working. That's what it should do. All the problems here have been dealt with. I had to use, to deal with that, I had to change one of my lines. I had to use line 19, which is D: for me, min gw bin gdb exe. Now, to get this on Windows is interesting. Min gw. Where are we? Here we go. All you do is you look up min gw. You go to minimalist GNU for Windows, which is what it stands for, and you just download whatever it asks you to download. Downloads, here we go. And it just says start download. So you just, oh, how does this work now? Yeah. What happens if I do that? No, that's an advert. Don't click on that. Project news, yeah. Operating system Windows. Let's yeah, you look down. Oh, whoops. And we want that one. The installation manager. So it's one item. Click on that. Don't like what it's doing. Where's the downloads? It's a package managing system, this. Okay, let's have a look. I think this is supposed to be an automatic download here. Up at the top. That's download file list. No. It's there. Windows. Setup exe. Found it. It's at the top there. So click on that button. And you will be the proud owner of a setup. So run it. Oh, mine's a bit large, sorry. Let's just get that down to something more normal. Here we go. Now I've got lots and lots and lots of thingies here, but no, it's decided to put them. Here we go, basic setup. Make sure all of these are installed. So make sure you're on basic setup and all of these, you click on them. I think it's, yeah, right click on them, mark for installation. Do all of that. Then update, mark apply changes. Then you apply changes and it'll do it all until all of those go green. And wherever you've put them, that will be your file path. So you might probably put them on the C directory, I don't know. It's whatever you want on your Windows computer. It's your choice. I put them on the D because my C is one of those solid state SSD thingies. I don't want it on there. It's my operating system, it's my C drive. Okay, all sorted. So I think that's everything. We're up to date. Oh, the only other thing I've done is I've taken off all of the Visual Studio stuff. So if I now go to here, delete, 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 delete. Yeah, okay. So stash, add to git ignore. Add to git ignore. Add to git ignore. Make sure I've got everything right here. Yeah. Anything else I don't need? Thank you, Muppet. That's the microphone. No, I think that's okay. There we go. I think that's a nice little bundle of programs. So there we go, all of that lot. I'm just wondering why it hasn't picked up on the other part. Just 1 second. Oh right, I think it has. Okay, alright. No, debug, yeah, that's worked. Fine, fantastic, lovely. String, yep, bat, C++, yep, JSON launch, blah de blah, all added, and that's it, folks. That's the update. VS Code for Windows, Macs and Linux. You have a lot easier job on this. You don't need all this pathing. It's part of the system, so you don't have to worry about all of the paths that I've had to add for Windows to work. So for you it's dead easy in here, really. It's already set up for you when you actually go and make the files. So there we go, that's it, it's all working. I'm happy, all the correct files are in, and we now have Explore C++ and source files, a bat file that works. Ah, bless you, Microsoft. You do try and make it difficult for people to use your software. It isn't exactly straightforward, is it? Come on, Microsoft, own up. What are you up to? I think they make it difficult so you can't do it, and people give up on it. They're not like me. C++ is still the same. Yeah. Magic. Lovely. I'm happy. I hope you're happy. So, in the next episode we are going to continue to explore to our heart's content, and Microsoft will help us out. Thank you to all. Take care and have fun.